Hi guys! So this video is going to be a bit of a come to Ikea with me. So as I said in my last video, I'm in the middle of doing a beauty room, and if you live in England you'll know we're going into a national lockdown on Thursday and it's currently Monday. So therefore I thought I'd better go and get the bits for my beauty room, you know, my mirror and all stuff like that, so then I've got it and I can get my room done for after lockdown. Yeah, and I'm just hoping that I can like lift the mirror and stuff on my own, because I'm on my own, and it shouldn't be too heavy, but I'm sure I'll be fine. But I thought, why not take you guys along with me, see what it's like. I'm hoping it's not busy, but I'm going to expect queues just in case. Very unattractive angle. So I went to Ikea, and to be fair, it was successful. Like, I've got everything I needed basically, but I was just really bad at filming in there. Oh, the exposure is terrible. Yeah, I didn't really film anything, so I do apologise for that. I filmed like little clips, but I didn't actually talk or anything, but it was just because I was on my own. You know, I was looking for what I needed to get, and that was pretty much it. But I mean, it was really successful. I can show you the stuff I've got. I'm not going to be putting any of it up, because I'm still obviously painting the room. But I thought, you know, as I was saying before lockdown happens, I don't know what shops are exactly shutting, but it's non-essential, and obviously to me Ikea is non-essential, so I would think it would be shutting. So I thought I'll just go and get it, and then I've got it, you know, why it's got it. And I bought a mirror for my wall. I bought a trolley for like my wax pots and all of that, and I bought like a storage thing for like nail varnishes and stuff. I didn't bother getting a nail desk yet, because I've got a portable one I can use, and I do want one in Ikea, but I want to like, once it's done, my floor's done, I want to actually get the bed in there and see how much space I've got before I go and buy a nail desk. But yeah, I got that. I bought some things. I bought like some new mugs that match the colours of my room, just 2 for my clients. I bought like 2 new glasses, because I think it's nicer for them to have their own glass, not the same ones that everyone in my house uses. I bought like it's like a bottle, like a glass bottle that you put water in, so you can like dispense from that, so I can have that in my room ready. So just some little bobs like that. I bought a succulent that I will show you. And I bought some hooks for the wall as well, for like people to hang their coats on. And I bought a succulent that will go on my nail desk or on top of something that will match, hopefully, the colour in the room. So yeah, and I got some Christmas wrapping paper too, because I saw some, I thought I don't have any, and I don't know if I'll be able to get any, because obviously like lockdown's meant to be lifted on the 2nd of December, but whether they're extended or whatever, and I don't really like ordering wrapping paper online. It feels like a waste, like I'd rather get it. So yeah, I'm now just driving home, and that's that. I'm probably going to drop these off at my parents and then go home, because it's only 3:25. It wasn't too busy in Ikea, to be fair. I thought it would be worse. I'm going to finish painting the rest of the week. I was meant to get my windscreen replaced this morning, but the guy came, it started to rain, it was a bit windy, so he said he couldn't do it because of the wind, which is fine, but then it stopped raining, so that was a bit annoying, but like he'd left, and I've rebooked him for Friday. So that's another reason I went today. I originally got up early, I was all ready for that, and then it didn't happen, so I was like, oh, do you know what, I might as well go to Ikea. So that's what I've done. But yeah, so sorry I didn't vlog that much. I don't think this is going to be a very good video. I was going to take you with me. Maybe I'll just turn this into a little mini vlog. I shall see you when I get back. Hello. So it's the next day. I'm going to go to Homesense and Maxx and see if they've got any presents for anyone. And I might see if I can get like the things I didn't get yesterday. I didn't get a nail desk, which I do want to get from Ikea. And I'm just gonna see like what type of shelves they've got, or like baskety things for like clients to put their clothes in and stuff when they get changed. Nothing too exciting, but yeah. So I thought, let's take you along with me because I really sucked yesterday filming. I didn't even show you the succulent, did I? I'll insert a picture. Honestly, I'm something else. But yeah, let's go. Let's hope the queues aren't too busy. And let's see if we can find anything. So I have just got here and it doesn't look too busy. No queues from what I can see. I got parked straight away, so that's a good sign. But yeah, we're here. Let's go see if we can actually find anything. Oh, I need my mask. Woo! Right, let's go. So I am now driving back. I didn't really feel much in there because, to be honest, I was just so carried away. Like, you know, like when I was there for like 3 hours and I only went in Homesense and TK Maxx. But like, I'm the type of person, you know, like I keep walking around to make sure I haven't missed something good. So yeah, that'd be why. I got some bits and bobs, so I shall show you them. I didn't manage to get that many Christmas presents though, which I'm a bit annoyed about because I don't know what I'm getting anyone. So being on lockdown in the next couple of days when it starts for the month, I can obviously shop online, but when you don't know what to get people, I find it really hard to shop online because it's like obviously categorized and I don't know where to start and no one wants anything. It's a bit of a problem, but at least I've got some bits. I got a couple of bits from my beauty room. All the Christmas stuff was out, which was so nice. I don't need anything though. It was really nice to look at everything and think, oh yeah, I like that. So I will do a little haul when I get back. Yeah, so I went into Costa on my way back, got a red berries drink, which I know is almost like their summer menu, isn't it? Because it's one of their fruit coolers, but I just really like them. I find them really refreshing. I know they're a bit cold, but whatever, that doesn't bother me. The woman looked at me like I was a bit weird because obviously the festive menu's out and that was all up on the screen, but you know, I was like, can I get a red berries this morning? She was a bit like, but it's like, I can see the juices in the fridge behind you, don't give me that. So I got that. And then I just had a little bacon roll as well, which, I mean, I was hungry because I hadn't had lunch because I got there at 1:45 and it is now 3:48. So, like, that's a long time, really. And to be fair, it was a little bit busy when I got there. Like, as I said, I got parked straight away, all of that, easy. The shops, like, no queues or anything like that. They were, like, but, like, people in them, fairly busy, but obviously not the limit because they were still letting people in. But by the time before I left, like 3:15, 3:30, like when I was walking around TK Maxx before I paid, it was like empty. Like I was literally like, where are the people? When I went to my car, Costa was quite busy to be fair when I went in to get my takeaway, but yeah, when I went to get my car there was so many spaces. I was like, it's open till 8 PM as well. But I'm just thinking, like, if lockdown does get released on the 2nd of December, which, you know, we're not sure if it will get extended or not, if it does, I just can't imagine what the shops are going to be like throughout December. I've always been in early bed with Christmas. I've always started trying to get people's presents in November and try and get it done before the end of November, or at least like the first 1 or 2 weeks into Christmas I like to be done, so then that like couple of weeks building up to Christmas I can relax, do what I want, wrap presents, watching movies. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm an elf, alright? That is what I like. And all my clients say that as well, like when I've done them recently and they're like, oh, have you not started your Christmas shopping? You're normally nearly done by now. I'm like, I know. I think the whole lockdown thing's just throwing me off, but I just can't imagine what December shopping will be like if it does reopen. Okay, so I am now back home, so I'll just quickly show you everything I got. So I got it all in this basket that I bought, so I'll show you the basket last. So in TK Maxx I got this just jumper. It's actually a Bershka jumper, and it was reduced to £6. It's got a bit of bobbling on the front, but to be honest, I'm not that bothered. I got it for work because I've only really got t-shirts, and like sometimes it can be a bit chilly and I just want to put a jumper on if I'm just doing nails or something. So I thought it's probably gonna get ruined anyway, so I'm just gonna get it. And then the one other thing I got in TK Maxx was these foils. Can you see those? They come with like tweezers, and on the back they say face, body and nail foils. So I thought, well, that's perfect. You get 12 different colours. And for my nail art, that is just ideal, really. So that's all I got on TK Maxx, and they were just £5.99. So we go to Homesense. This is when I got some like more gifty bits and stuff. So the first two things in my thing, I got this camera, like phone tripod. And this was only £6.99, but I thought, I'm always balancing my phone on stuff to film, and it's an absolute nightmare. And I was looking at like bigger tripods and stuff, but I haven't got anywhere to keep it, to be honest. So I thought, do you know what, £6.99, I've been looking for it for ages, I might as well just get it, because I haven't seen anything that cheap in ages. And I also then got, for £7.99, it's like a small floodlight, which I thought would be good, because at the moment I have like a ring light that clips onto my phone, like a selfie light, but I actually have that for my beauty, to like take pictures of nails and stuff, like, because it's portable. So I thought this will hopefully work really well. Obviously I haven't tried them yet, but I thought, you know, why not? Then I got some Christmas cards for £2.99. These are just to mainly give to clients and stuff, like people. So you can't really go wrong. I thought, you know, I won't be going out before Christmas. I also then picked up 6 packs of these, like, you know, labels from presents. One says Merry Christmas, one says a gift for you, and then the other one's just like patterns. But they're only 39p each, and they only come in 3, so I picked up 6 packets. I have no idea how many presents I'm gonna get. I also picked up these cinnamon vanilla reed diffusers, so you get 2, and they're Christmas themed, obviously. But I thought, I can't really light candles in here because obviously it's made out of wood, so I thought I can use it in here, and then the other one I can take to my beauty room, make it all smell all festive. And they were £5.99, I believe. Yeah, £5.99 for 2, which isn't that bad. I then bought for my boyfriend's mum, this is her present that I got her, a rose quartz roller set. So it's a normal face roller, but then it has different, so it has the normal head, and then it's got for eyes, which is like a more roundy type one, and then it's got for wrinkles, and it looks like it's got a bit of texture, if you can see that. And this was £14.99, and she's really into her skincare and stuff, so I just thought that's quite a nice little present. Like, it's just something small I get her, so that, maybe some chocolates or something, that'll work quite well. And then for my mum, she loves her hand cream and she really likes Cath Kidston, and they had these 2, which are the same thing. I think they should look different. They're only £1.99 each, so I just picked up 2 little hand creams, and then obviously I'm going to get her some other bits as well, but that's easy. I picked up my mum and dad a refill for Himalayan salt, because they can't seem to find it anywhere, and it was just this big thing for £2.99, so I got them that. And then I got some face masks. So I got this eye mask, a Nip and Fab no needle eye fix mask. It's a hydration eye mask, and this was only £2.99. And then I got 2 of the Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Hydration mask, because I'm gonna use one, and sometimes my boyfriend wants to use one if I'm doing one, so I just bought 2, and they were only £3.99 each. So I've run completely out of face masks, so I just got those. Then this, which is wrapped up, this, I just saw this on the sale thing, and it's obviously a soap holder. Like, I'm not silly, I know that's what it is, but it was reduced to £2, and I'm going to use it for when I'm doing nail art, and if I'm mixing colours or anything, to put like on the top. But I just thought it's quite cool. It's going to go with my room. It was only £2, so I just thought, I'm not going to use it for soap, but I'm going to use it to put stuff on, like mix stuff when I'm pouring glitter out. If I'm mixing glitter in a top coat, like a loose glitter, that's what I'll use it for, because it's always like one of those things that, like, you never have anything to use, but it's just like a little flat, you know, that's easy. Just keep it in my drawer and get it out when I'm going to use it. So it was a bit like, I don't need this, but then it was a bit like, when I actually have stuff to mix, I normally waste like a tint pot or something, like mess up a tint pot by doing it, and then the tint pot's not really good for tinting. And yeah, then the last thing I got was this round, it's round because it's material, obviously it's not staying very round, black and white basket, and this was £14.99, yeah, which I thought was a bit expensive, but it's not that bad. But it is just, you can see it, comparison size to my head. I've got that to go in my beauty room and like go under the bed, so then when clients like get changed or whatever for waxing, you know, take the trousers off, whatever, they can just pop it in the basket. It's a bit nicer than to like letting them put it on the floor, isn't it? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this gave you some sort of... Do you know what, before I go, let me show you the Ikea wrapping paper I got for Christmas, because I don't think there's a lot. So I bought 2 packs of these because they are only 0.7 of a metre, which to me, like per roll, to me, I don't think that's a lot. I'm used to going to Primark and getting a good like 6 metre roll for like £3, but they're only £1.50 each. I don't know when I'm going out, so I just picked up 2 packs of these, and they're this beautiful green colour, and you see the snowflakes on this one, and then some stars on this one, and then this one's just silver. But I just picked up 2 packs of them, and I'll insert a picture of my succulent that I forgot to show you, but it was only £4.50, which for the size of it, I'm telling you, so bloody good. Yeah, I hope you will have a lovely weekend, a lovely day. Sorry this video was a little bit of a mess. Could have been better, but I do apologise. But have a lovely weekend. Everyone stay safe. Try and stay positive. I know we're in a second lockdown, but you know, just think of the good things, things you're going to get done, things you can accomplish. And don't be so hard on yourself. Like, you know, spend days in bed, have lay-ins, you know, go to sleep early, do what you want. Like, there's no pressure, honestly. Like, what have you got to lose? I would just recommend, you know, if you haven't done your Christmas shopping already, maybe just start ordering stuff online. I don't know. It's up to you, obviously. I don't know what your Christmas is like, but just order stuff online, get ready for Christmas. I mean, we normally put our Christmas decorations up the first weekend of December because that's when we were all off work and we can do it. Whereas now, the 1st and 2nd of December is obviously the last couple of days of lockdown. So realistically, your decorations go up whenever. I've seen quite a few people put them up already, and it's only the 2nd or 3rd of November today, and I've seen quite a few people online putting them up already, and it gets me so excited. I like to wait till closer to December, and my dad's birthday is end of November, so I like to get that out of the way, but it's such a nice feeling. So, like, you know, even if that makes you feel better, do it. Go put your tree up, put your decorations up, put your fairy lights up, put your garlands up. Just, you know, do what makes you feel better. But I don't think we should let it ruin our Christmas spirit. Like, I know a lot of stuff isn't going ahead, like markets and stuff, but, you know, just try and stay positive. Try and, like, the cosy Christmas nights with the Christmas lights on, watching Christmas films when you're wrapping and you've got a Christmas film on in the background, like, just stuff like that. I think we just got to try and be a bit easier on ourselves, feel a bit, like, try and feel a bit positive, like, take this time just sort of prep for Christmas. And yeah, I know it's hard. I think we're all finding it very difficult, but I'm going to try not to talk about it too much in my videos because I don't really want to keep reminding everyone of it. But yeah, obviously, like I've said, I've said it in this video because, you know, I've been trying to go out to the shops before they shut because of lockdown, because it's non-essential shops that are shutting. But yeah, like, in the lockdown, I'm going to be sorting out my beauty room. I'll be able to order some furniture. Like, obviously I bought some in Ikea yesterday, but I'll be able to order, like, my chairs and some pictures for the walls and stuff, which I'm really excited about. So I'm hopefully to finish painting by the end of the week. And once I've painted and my boyfriend's put the floor down, I can maybe vlog a bit more of, like, actually getting the room together, if you know what I mean, and setting up, building the furniture and all of that. So yeah, if you guys want to, like, come on that journey, then make sure you subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I know it was a bit of a mess, like I said, but yes, stay safe, take care, and try and stay positive, and I shall see you in my next video. Much love.